Hello and good day. I just wanted to share briefly a little tip, probably not too eye-opening for many people, I guess, because I realize how I am sometimes just late to the party, and it's very likely one of those cases. But anyway, so I'm working on this new kind of socket system, and I want to facilitate a lot of benefit of using agentic assistance. Particularly over here, I have this particular agent doing some testing for me, and in particular, as you can see here, kind of going on through these agents doing some stuff. I think the important aspect really want to point out, I don't want to make this too long, is if it's a web application, you want to have something like Puppeteer, and you want it to feed back into the agentic system so that the agent can kind of read the logs and then adapt, fix the errors, improve the performance, converge on some, see it's opening and closing it, see what it's doing, right? It's kind of running the tests itself. And then really having a regime set up so that the agent doesn't ever think it's done when it really isn't. So having it a set of reminders to go back to. But even before having a set of reminders, having the strongest possible typing, even if you're whatever you're using, if you're using Rust, can't get much better typing than Rust, right? Um, but you can write Rust even in a way that's not that well uh, structurally designed, let's say. It's not really that you're ever going to lose the typing, but like the use of the traits and the use of different idioms in Rust are going to get you faster through the kind of battle with the compiler. Um, but whatever system you're dealing with, you want to have a feedback loop. If it's a web app, you want to have a feedback loop via kind of like whatever the end product is, the kind of browser. So that's what this is doing right now. It's going feedback, and see it has it had a disconnect right there. I don't know if it timed that. Did it time out? Because I also have trained the agent to not let processes or any tests run too long. So there's another aspect of this. It's important to have scripts that kind of run these top level processes that will not let any of the child processes go for too long. Don't let your children out for too long, and then kill the process IDs in after whatever amount of time. So yeah, a lot of cool things in regards to just maximizing the efficiency when working with agents. And I'd like to have a discussion about this. I don't know exactly when, but I don't know. I'm thinking maybe not yet. I don't think I know enough yet to really have a deep discussion, but I thought I'd just throw this out there, get some feedback. And then if you have something to share, that would be great. That can help me learn more. Um, but I'm thinking maybe by like around Thanksgiving time, maybe we can get together and have a little consortium, a little meeting, a little powwow, and share some ideas and, yeah, improve all of our capacity to work with these agents. As you can see, I haven't been doing anything yet for, you know, really typing anything in, and it's just been going and improving things. And that's what you get when you have a feedback system. So, not that it's optimized yet, but you need that strong typing. You need obviously a feedback loop. You need to avoid infinite loops. You need to avoid hanging async calls and so forth. But anyway, please let me know if you're interested in improving your practice and helping me improve mine. I would much appreciate it. Take care.